this is the beans.
So yan yung... So ito si wife. Checking na. They're parang style sa harap. Paul and Nigel. Hi sir, hi sir. Ganda oh. Ang ganda ng design. For sure, ang daming benta, no? So this is coffee. Ganda ng booth. Hi, Dij. Banana. Sea salt golden banana.
Sweeten.
So thank you, Paul and Nigel, for their free cheese bread. This is Brutopia 2026, guys. What's up, guys? So I'm here with my wife. Sorry, tinamaan kami. So it's July 25 and it's 7:40 p.m. So medyo ginabi na rin kami since maulan kanina. And we will try and go to Brutopia here at the SM Mall of Asia. So meron kaming top, ilan yon? Actually siya lang. So meron siyang 4 picks ba?
Yeah.
So ano yung 4 picks mo ba?
I would like to try si bean straw for
si
mango
bean straw
sticky
muna kami,
rice,
for
and
mango sticky
then
rice.
maybe golden banana latte by Paul and Nigel.
Wow.
Ilo for matcha. Tapos ano pa ba?
Doon na tayo sa top.
Parang yun lang naman so far. Ayun sila downstairs.
So we will show you kung ano yung tsura niya kapag nasa second floor or third floor kami, and then we will go down to those 3 to 4 na stores since it's night time, di na kami masyado bibili ng coffee. So more on matcha and food yung tatry namin. So as per wife, they are 22 merchants in total, and napansin niya, kasi siya mahilig mag-check doon sa TikTok, napansin niya na na-extend yung Matcha Fest from July 26 naging July 28. So yan, we're going down sa second floor. So right now, they have this airport team. Ayan no, sobrang dami. Before last year, hanggang dito lang siya. So ngayon, na-extend dito. I think this is more on kung saan kung saan kayo magda-try ng drinks. So yan, nag-take lang na photos wife. And then baba na kami. So punta kami sa kabilang side para mapakita namin ano yung tsura. We will start here. Tapos ito yung arc na entrance sila. Tapos dun hanggang dun sa dulo. Before, medyo maraming convex mirror sa harap. But right now, ito yung parang pinaka-backdrop nila. Yan sa harap. So ito si wife. Checking na. Again, hindi namin mapupuntan lahat yung 22 merchants. So we will just go to the 3 to 4 merchants na na-target niya na since meron na siyang due diligence or chinek online. So yan, diretso na kami agad at magdi-dinner pa kami kay Yabu. Lapit lang tayo doon onte para makita nila. So last year, nag-try kami kay Coffee Daily, no nga?
Yeah.
And then nag-try kami kay Slide. So yeah, as you can see, para silang airport. I hope I can zoom it. Let's try to zoom. Yan. So yun yung exact na design nila right now. Grabe, ang daming tao. Sabado kasi ngayon. Kahit maulan, dami pa rin. So tara, baba na kami. Wow, si Pen Shop, meron na rin sariling coffee shop. The Pen Shop Clubhouse. Galing na. We are entering Brutopia, the airport theme style. Katabi nila yung sobrang taas na 3D column. So ito yung exact design. So they have photo booth here. And then merchant, I don't know. And then this is it. Their parang style sa harap. So Meru, nakita natin din siya last year. Tapos si Just Woke Up, nandun. Sa kabila. Wow, cute. And Ed Coffee. Ito yung gusto mo i-try, di ba? Oh, wala na. Na-sold out na. So kasi 7:48 na rin. Anyway, so we will check pa. Just Woke Up and then No Bad Days Coffee din. Plain na lang So, Il Mio Coffee. Ito rin ba gusto mo i-try? So, it's a coffee matcha bar. Cute ng branding nila, oh. So, walang tulugan na naman to. This one, Paul and Nigel. Ano yung gusto mo i-try dyan, ma?
Sea salt golden banana latte.
So, meron silang golden banana sea salt matcha. So, ito yung try natin later. Bistro is here. Cafe 1023. Coffee Daily here also. Tignan natin yung design. Wow. Ganda, no? Anyway. Ano? Ayun, si Slide.
Bibili ako mango sticky.
Kayo na ba yung mango sticky rice?
Sa kanila.
Kay Bistro. So, bibili kami ng mango sticky rice later. Yun. We're here at Paul and Nigel. So, ano yung gusto mo? Golden banana latte.
Ngayon na lang po for the
Ronan na lang.
Ronan.
Ronan.
Yes. R-O-N-A-N. Free yung sticker, no? Oh, free yung sticker.
Mahal na nga. Try ko mag-Gcash.
220.
Wow, cheese bread. Ito yung shop na pinapanood niya kahapon. Na may dala ka daw cheese bread. Yeah, my wife ko. Hi sir. Yeah. So, yan. No? So, tatry natin to. So, fun fact, before, nagpapasabay kami ng cheese bread from Pampanga. So, ito talaga, ewan ko, sa LA Bake Shop kami namimili before. But today, saan kaya ito ngayon? Mary something. So, mamaya natin tatry ito. Take some photos, ha? Paul and Nigel Coffee. Wow, katuwa naman tong freebie nila. Cheese bread, freebie. It's for Ronan. Wow. So let's try. Cheese bread, cheers. Sige, picture mo. Saan mo picturean? Doon?
May hawakan ko. Oo nga.
So, may picturean lang daw niya in front. So, ano next? So, that's our first store or first merchant na binilhan. Second is Bistro. So, mamaya na namin titikman lahat. So, this is Bistro. Ayan, here. Ganda, oh. Nice branding. So, this is their menu. So again, let's try mango sticky rice. So nung nag-Singapore kami, hindi ko pa natikman yon. So this is the first time natitikman natin yung mango sticky rice. Yan siya. Ten. Meron ka? Ibig sabihin, puro buo na, no? Wala nang barya, eh. Okay, so this is slide. Wait lang, ah. So, ang galing ng design nila, no? So, mukha talaga siyang, yun lang, tinapunan ng mga basura, but all in all, ang ganda ng design. So, salute sa gumawa nito.
This is called
Ano tawag dito? MOA Terminal? Oh, may DJ pa sa dulo. So, ano next?
sa
Ano next? Wow, so this is the booth of This is Coffee. Ganda, oh. Oh. Hello. For sure, ang daming benta, no? Oh. So this is coffee. Ganda ng booth, ganda. Well, we have a DJ here. Hey. So hi, DJ. Ganda. So this is wife. Nawawala na naman. Cafe 23. So last year, nandito sila. We tried it then. So ngayon, iba naman try natin. Ano next? Ay, kaso ubos na yung egg, ano, no? So, we have here My Country Guilt-Free. And then Coffee Friends, Corner House here. Then si Coffee Daily, which is na-try na natin last year. Butter Days. Ha?
Sabi ni
Ano?
she just woke up
Asan? Oh yeah, si Just Woke Up. Ay,
from Bulacan.
so si Just Woke Up na napapanood din natin yung mga vids.
Ano kayo?
So they were from, saan sila ma? Bulacan? Bulacan. So si Kosh, so sayang si Egg Coffee, ubos na eh. Oh, baka may isa pa.
Sayang.
Grabe.
Tomorrow na lang.
Sige.
Let's go.
So sad day kasi walang espresso. They're sold out. So hanap tayo ng kapalit. Ito na. Matcha. So we have coffee na, we have cheese bread, we have mango rice. So isa na lang kulang, matcha. Woke up, haba rin ng pila. We will find some place where we can drink and eat. Saan pwede? Siguro sa Dasa lang. Masyado ng full. Oh, sige dyan na lang. Pag may nakita kang chair. Sarap pala din. No bad days. Wala, puno eh. Okay, so magte-try kami ng nabili. So wala masyadong chairs lang. So let's go.
Dito ka pa. Anong first natin? First, let's try the golden banana latte.
Then this one, ano ulit yung in-order mo? Golden banana, sea salt golden banana. So, I believe may banana rin to. Try natin. Ako nga tikman ko.
Lasang banana.
Okay, so medyo matamis and then lasang banana siya na coffee. Mahirap ubusin, baka di tayo makatulog tonight.
And by default, they're using oat milk na. No additional na.
So oat pala yan. So masarap din pala banana oat ah.
And ito yung
So thank you Paul and Nigel for their free cheese bread. So again, napanood namin si Sir, ang pangalan nun? Basta from Paul and Nigel, Sir J something. So from Pampanga sila, dinadala nila yung mga cheese bread for us to try. So this is one of which, I don't know what brand is this, pero yun nga, before nabili kami sa LA Bake Shop. Ang sarap. Picture mo? Sarap.
This is the beans.
So yan yung sticky rice. Sorry, natapon pala. May tissue ka? May wipes ako, waka mo.
Chaotic. Okay, let's try it.
So pakita natin yung tsura.
So guys. Let's taste it.
So again, nung nag-Singapore kami, hindi pa namin na-try. This is the first time here sa PH. Kahit sa Singapore, hindi pa na-try. So hindi ko alam anong lasa, no? So first time ko titikman.
Alam mo yung parang makanin? Biko. Ganun yung lasa.
So parang biko daw na may mango. I don't know if this is dessert or I think kasi may mango tsaka may parang milk sa taas.
Sweet and coconut ata yan. Okay naman.
So parang nga siyang biko.
Parang white version ng biko. It's good.
So kala ko dati pwede ng ulam yan or lunch mo, hindi pala. So talagang more on dessert or more on merienda. So dalawa lang pala nabilhan namin. Tama ma? Beanstraw lang and Paul and Nigel. Ayun nga, and it's 8 p.m. so naubusan tayo. But still, all good. Sobrang dami ng tao. I don't know if ilang packs, but from this time, ang dami pa rin taong bumibili ng knowing na this is a coffee and matcha na puro mga coffee shop na nagsama-sama here sa Brutopia. Wow.
Sayang di tayo umabot yung extra.
Eh, naririnig ko ako ito kay Gary.
Meron ka picture of life.
Parang magaling sila.
Mostly guys, di na namin tinry kasi parang we would like to try those na merong interesting menu this time. Not just the regular ones na typical for a coffee shop.
So, I would like to come here din talaga kasi nga, so makita yung mga kiosk kung ano yung itsura and how do they do it since medyo mahirap pumunta sa mga ganitong event. Yung ingress, yung team, medyo madami kayong dapat dala. And yun nga, walang hugasan. So, alam mo na, pag may natapon, medyo malagkit. So, I want to see the back end na or behind the scene na ginagawa nila. But all in all, maganda na may itsura and then magaganda rin yung mga booths na nagawa nila here. So, punta na kami sa Yabo after this one. We will be having our dinner.
Kahit huwag mo nabusin yung rice.
Sige. Ang maganda lang sa mga ganitong vlog guys, di mo na kailangan mag-edit since this is raw. More on duktong na lang ng video. Unlike sa mga shorts namin, alam mo isa-isa pa. Ito yung wipes. Ano ma?
Bias ako sa mango. Favorite ko yung mango.
Yan. So, nawala na yung mangga. Natira na lang yung rice.
Remember to clean up after you eat. Para
So, cleaning up namin. Then, we go. So, this is Brutopia 2026, guys. So, we will be seeing you next year again.
hopefully we're
Hindi ako
one.
nakabe banana pudding, ah.
Meron dun Yun ang nabili natin kay Il Mio.
Okay? Il Mio? Okay, kaka-ano lang. Kaka-dessert lang.
Sabi ko na lang. Ano ko na ka?
Yeah. Ang sarap ng pair ng bread. Ang tawag dito, cheese bread with coffee. So, I hope yung mga cafe makakuha ng mga ng cheese bread sa Pampanga. Sobrang sarap talaga ng gawa doon. Hindi siya LA bake siya, pero lambot, no?
Hindi rin siya na...
And napanood namin si Sir na from Paul and Nigel. Morning niya pa kinuha. 1 a.m. ata umorder siya, tas mga morning niya dala. And still, good. Ang lambot.
siya nanigas.
So I guess this is it, guys. Ito yung trash namin. Tatapon lang natin. And we will be having our dinner sa Yabu. So, see you. Bye na tayo.
Bye, vlog!
Bye.
Sige, yung binago.
Ah, okay.
Kasi,
Siguro mauna. Bumaba din sa kanila.